documenting the car won't start, 98 M3 supercharged, and yeah, this is what it does. So of course, as you can see, all the lights work, everything turns on. This is because I pulled the battery earlier today, charged it for the day, and put it back in. Had it tested, it's reading 12.9 volts and 707 cranking amps, which is 7 more than it's rated for, so the battery's good, and this is what it does. Now I'm noticing that the battery light stays on. Don't recall if that's normal or not. I'm noticing that the heater controls actually go right out sometimes. Oh yeah, there we go. Huh. So anyways, that's about it.